everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another 9 to 5 day in my life working in corporate. Let's spend the day together. I'm so excited to take you with me for the rest of the day. I actually start my work at 8 a.m., but hey, who's counting? And I start my morning waking up around 6 in the morning. And this is what I really look like. This is me, early in the morning, barely awake, but fully committed to glowing. Before the emails, before the just circling back, before actually pretending I'm not counting down to lunch, we do this. Skincare is non negotiable. Because if corporate life is going to test me all day, my skin is at least going to stay hydrated. Moisturizer on, confidence on. Generally, I used to start my day with like lemon water or maybe like a detox water, but these days, considering the age I'm at and to maintain the hormone levels, I'm actually starting my day with chia seeds water. So I try to start my day with this water. And let's just make breakfast. It's gonna be protein waffle. I was able to pick my clothes last night. They're ironed. Let's just get changed for an office day, which is going to be really busy. Outfits on. Just gonna do a real quick makeup. It's like a makeup, no makeup. Just gonna set my eyebrows, do some blush, lip gloss, and then we're heading to work. I used to be that person who used to skip breakfast and just drink coffee, but not anymore. Adulthood hits different. My hormones are unpredictable and I'm not risking it. So now I make sure I eat something first because coffee on an empty stomach absolutely not happening. And now it's time to pack my meals for the day. Whenever I know I'm starting early, I always prep everything the night before. It just makes my morning so much easier, and future me is always grateful. Today I'm taking chia pudding for my mid-morning snack and pasta for lunch, and I'll just grab coffee at work instead of brewing it at home. I can already tell if I don't wrap this up in next 5 minutes, I'm officially running late. So let's grab everything, throw on the winter jacket, and we are heading to the office. It is so cold outside. I just can't. It gets so unbearable sometimes. There's no set start time at my office. I could start whenever I want, like 7, 8, 9, or even at 10 a.m. But I try to be there by 8. That way I can finish around 4 and still get some me time. And for me, starting at the same time every morning, it's like a discipline that sets the tone of the day. Let's go. Finally, out the door. Hope traffic is nice today. Made it to work. The drive was smooth, but let's just go and get the work started because I know it's going to be a packed morning since it's Monday. I will definitely have so much on my plate. And just in case you're wondering what I do, I work as an adjuster in the insurance field, handling claim. It keeps me busy and on my toes every day. We made it to work in one piece. Just gonna get my morning started and then maybe we'll go grab coffee. I managed to finish half of my waffle on the way here, and the rest I am eating while going through these emails. Honestly, eating while I work has become a habit. Don't judge me, please, but I feel like it actually makes work feel a little less hectic. Look how cool I am multitasking, eating, and reviving the emails. Got my latte. And it's a quick coffee break. I always try to give myself 10 to 15 minutes away from the screen. My eyes need it, my brain needs it. Just sitting here, sipping slowly, and enjoying the little calm in the middle of the morning. Lately, I have been making an effort to drink a lot more water, part of this whole taking care of myself routine. Trying to follow a strict diet, lose a little weight here and there. Of course, it's mid-morning snack time. Today I'm enjoying my chia pudding. I love that I can actually eat something that's both tasty and keep me full until lunch. Time to heat up lunch. Pasta it is! Alright, the workday is officially wrapping up. I am finishing up the last few emails, logging off around 4:15, and honestly it feels so good to close the laptop and know that the work is done. The best part about finishing work and heading home, honestly, it's seeing my niece. She gets so excited when she sees me, running up with that big smile. It's honestly the highlight of the day. Moments like this make all the busy mornings and long emails totally worth it. Initially I was like maybe I should take a nap and then go to the gym, but now I'm like, let's just get anything out of the way. Let's go and do the gym. Let's get ready. Perfect. So I'm ready for the gym. I know I still need to lose a lot of weight, but this is just my body. This is me. And we are just on the track to get slim and get fitter. It is currently minus 25 outside, and I have heard a good news that this week the temperature is actually going in positive. So woohoo, we've made it to the end of the winters here. Super tired, just gonna take shower. I need to wash my hair because tomorrow is Tuesday, and I believe in Indian myths that we don't wash hair on Tuesday. Just gonna quickly wash them, blow dry, and I'm so lucky that my sister's making the meals, so she's gonna pack the lunch box as well, so I don't have to worry about that. One thing that's constant in my life is my night prayers. I do aarti in the evening. It's been a part of my routine for a long time as I can remember. And now it's finally my favorite part of the day. A little me time, a little gratitude, and a little chaos rolled into one. Some days are hectic, some are calm, but I always try to end with a smile. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Remember, it's not just about the work, it's about the little moments in between. See you in next vlog.